Today, the Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy revealed during a congressional hearing that there were more previously undisclosed outages involving the air traffic control system at Newark Airport. The outages date back to last October and November. And for more, we turn to CBS's senior transportation correspondent, Kris Van Cleave. So what do we know about these outages there, Kris?
Well, not a lot yet, John. We're still looking into it. The secretary mentioned them in terms of explaining the work that needed to be done about bringing in a fiber line so that these issues don't continue happening. But it tells us that the problems at this facility have been going on longer than first thought. We had seen some references to other outages in statements. United Airlines CEO Scott Kirby, in fact, referenced a number of outages in his initial comments about Newark. So we're learning that some of these were going on at least back in the fall, raising questions about why measures maybe couldn't have been taken sooner.
And you, Kris, talked to the United Airlines chief commercial officer about Newark. What did he say?
Yeah, I asked him, first of all, if he was flying in and out of Newark. He said he is. And then we talked about safety. Take a listen.
Yeah, I would say it is incredibly safe. There's always a redundant system for everything necessary to safely operate the aircraft. Our pilots are incredibly skilled to deal with minor outages that may occur not only here in the United States, but around the globe.
And that's in conjunction with the FAA slowing down traffic in and out of the airport as their staffing levels drop, John.
Kris, the senior FAA official told senators today that there was a hotline that was set up between the Pentagon and Reagan National Airport in Washington, and that hotline had been down for 3 years. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Sure. So think of it as almost like the red phone you'd see in a movie. You pick it up and it would connect directly from the DCA tower to the Pentagon control tower. Apparently, that line has not worked since 2022. The FAA says it's a line that's maintained by the Department of Defense, and the FAA said they only just recently learned it was inoperable. Now, controllers in the Reagan Tower could pick up a landline, dial a phone number, and call over to the Pentagon, but the quick, easy means of communication has been out for some time. The question is, how did nobody know that?